Welcome to the latest edition of Women's Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries and Organon signed a definitive agreement approved by both boards. Sun Pharma will acquire Organon for US $14 per share in cash, with an enterprise value of $11.75 billion. The transaction signals continued pipeline investment and modality expansion. Duchesnay and PeriPharm reported findings from a GC analysis of women's health products in Canada from 2003 to 2023. They said Canadian women face delayed access to women's health innovations and uneven public reimbursement, highlighting ongoing policy and access gaps. Progyny launched Progyny Select, a fully insured supplemental fertility and family building plan for small U.S. employers. The fixed premium, pooled risk model covers IVF, IUI, genetic testing, navigation, and women's health support, potentially expanding access at scale. BCRF described 2026 NCCN breast cancer screening and diagnosis guidance on AI-based 5-year risk assessment from mammograms. The guidance includes AI mammogram-based risk assessment beginning at age 35, using a 5-year risk threshold to guide clinical action. Artera secured CE marking under EU IVDR for Artera AI prostate biopsy assay and Artera AI breast cancer assay. The CE marks enable clinical use across EU member states and named EFTA countries, supporting broader adoption of AI oncology assays. In HR-positive, HER2-negative, locally advanced or metastatic breast cancer with PIK3CA, AKT1, or PTEN alterations, afuresertib plus fulvestrant met the primary progression-free survival endpoint versus placebo plus fulvestrant in the Phase 3 Affirm 205 trial. Mabwell initiated a randomized, open-label, controlled, multi-center Phase 3 study of 9MW2821 in locally advanced or metastatic triple-negative breast cancer. The Nectin-4 targeting ADC is being compared with investigators' choice of chemotherapy after prior taxane-based chemotherapy and top-eye ADC exposure. Mabwell also reported a case involving 9MW2821, also called belumtatug fovedetin, in metastatic cervical squamous cell carcinoma. The patient continued treatment after biopsy ruled out viable tumor cells, with later resolution of the liver lesion. Stay ahead in women's health research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare